so excited right now. I have an idea. Can I mount that in my trunk? I think I can.
In a land where time forgot, a humble snail with dreams did plot. To Laws he goes with purpose pure, a quest for screws so bold secure. His shell adorned like ancient crown, he slithers through the sleeping town, with hope to mount a printer grand, in trunk of car by Snail's command. Oh, fate be kind this evening fair, to guide his quest beyond despair. For Snail with courage to procure the screws to mount his dreams so sure. Under moonlit skies he roams, toward Laws where his heart finds home. A garden slumbered slow in grace, yet Snail with haste picked up his pace. Oh, fate be kind this evening fair, to guide his quest beyond despair.
I like the idea of 3D printing in the car, but I'm already seeing a flaw with this. I want to go home. I'll leave this car going in the driveway and print this thing so it's official.
For Snail with courage to procure the screws to mount his dream so sure. A noble clerk with kindness near spoke wisely to his slimy peer. Fear not, dear friend, we have the truth, the screws you seek with proof of youth.
Just as I put this in here, my new A1 Mini comes from points from you guys and your boosts. I really appreciate your boosts on my makerworld profile, and it's down there in the links below. Anyway, back to the video.
Oh, fate be kind this evening fair, to guide his quest beyond despair. For Snail with courage to procure the screws to mount his dreams so sure. A noble clerk with kindness near spoke wisely to his slimy.
All right, well, here goes nothing. It's perfect.